Through the winter's cold and the summer heat, you kept our souls and you guided our feet. When the clouds were dark and the way was dim, we found our strength and our hope in Him. You're the God of the seasons, the God of the years, the one who has wiped away all of our tears. There is no changing, there is no shift. Every good thing is your perfect gift. From the break of dawn to the evening star, how constant and holy and steady you are. Great is thy faithfulness, oh God, my Father. There is no shadow of turning with thee. Morning by morning, new mercies I see. All I have needed, your hand has provided. By your own Spirit, my heart has been guided. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Oh, pardon for sin and a peace that endures, your presence to cheer and a hope that is sure. Strength for today and bright hope for tomorrow. Blessings all mine with no added sorrow. You never leave us, you never let go. The greatest story that I'll ever know. You are faithful, 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 you are faithful. Oh, you are faithful, 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 you are faithful. Yesterday you were there, and today, and forever. My provider, my protector. Oh my God, great is thy faithfulness. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. New mercies I see every single morning. Amen.